So good evening, everybody. In the era of digital world, we use a lot of iPad Pro and computers and PPT, PowerPoints, but we don't use the traditional conventional chalk and board method, which has been followed since ages and which was considered to be an effective method. So to impart that thing into medical education, what are the skills a teacher should have? So that is what we are going to see today. So we have a group of experts from medical education unit. We'll talk to them and get to know what are the things a teacher should acquire, which will be useful for us to go forward with it. So please.
So according to the advances in medical education and sciences, which was a publication where PowerPoint was compared with the chalkboard method, it was found that 65.33% preferred PowerPoint presentation and only 15.16% preferred the chalk and board as a modality for teaching against 19.5% of OHP presentation.
Regarding the skill, I think the teacher must have good handwriting and should write neatly and legibly on the board. She must use different colors or appropriate colors and thickness of the chalk to write on the board so that students can see it clearly.
Sir, I think, is it about the topic or group will decide whether we are going to use PT or we are going to use chalk and board?
It is going to be only about chalk.
Yeah, your question is very, very valid, and I think we need to understand when we using chalk and board. So of course, for both the group, we can use the chalk and board, but it's depend on the teacher and the audience, and where in small group teaching with the chalk and board definitely going to benefit rather than the large group teaching.
I think even in large group teaching, there's some role with chalk, as
Sure.
we have already discussed, because we said that like anatomy, when you draw the diagram, this will provide an opportunity for the students to realize.
Absolutely.
They can draw them by themselves. So it's an practice session for them. When teacher is writing on the board, so even the student can practice
They
it
can practice in their
and
notebook.
reproduce in the exam.
Give them confidence that they can also do
Yes.
during the exam.
So do you think like during technical PG we have to switch on to
Yes, because as I pointed out that the chalkboard is dying. So, like at the time of technical glitches, when your PowerPoint is not working or your internet is not working or whatever, your pen drive is not working. So you'll have to switch to some other modality, and chalk and board modality can come in handy anytime. But one thing you'll have to keep in mind is your spatial orientation. How much of the chalk board you are going to use, and what will be the thickness of your chalk that you're using, and what will be the distance between your words. It should be legible and writing.
you're precisely telling that the font size of
Yeah, the font size might
Font
be legible.
size, format, varieties of color.
Yeah, basically to highlight the keywords, you should use a different color chalk. So that is really
And if you are drawing in a whiteboard, so you also understand the limitation of that, so that you know how much you can use for which particular diagram.
Another concern which I would like to add is with the increasing number of NMC, increasing the number of seats. I think because now they have the infrastructure also needs, because you have a class which can accommodate 100 or 150, and now suddenly you have more students. I'm not sure whether whatever is written with the concern, whether the last benches can really see. I think in fact whatever they're saying.
What I want to find out is with the micro teaching, I think chalk and board needs all the more sense. Because you have to summarize a very small amount of information to a people who can just follow you throughout the presentation.
At the end, actually, I feel this teacher should have that enough flexibility that to use even the PPT along with the chalk and board. So he should know actually when to switch to the chalk and board. It's not like entirely, but at least support from the chalk
Yes,
and
I
board.
agree on this particular point. Whenever somebody want to use both, so it's not denied. You can use PowerPoint, or you can use chalk and board. So little bit smartness as a teacher can learn, so that something he can show in PowerPoint, and few things diagram or few explanation he can draw in whiteboard.
Yeah, to add, I think whenever you project a PowerPoint, I think students might end up reading what is written. I think when you add the chalk and board, definitely the student cannot predict what you're going to tell, and he has to focus on what you're writing as well as what you're listening. That looks like another advantage.
So actually, at the end, what our experts were saying is that they're saying that chalk and board method can be adopted as and when it is required, and the skills which actually we need as a teacher is to write properly with a proper handwriting and to assess how many students are there and scale your writing according to it, and then to choose the topic when to use chalk and board, when not to use. And at the same time, they should be having the ability to switch on to chalk and board when there is a PowerPoint failure or technical question. So,
Yeah, definitely agree with you. There's definitely a role for chalk and board.
Since actually sir rightly pointed out, since we are thinking mostly towards small group teaching can be best delivered through chalkboards. So it will be more effective also, and it is power saving also. You can save some energy.
of course, the student will also look into the
Look
board,
into the
something
board.
themselves, writing something.
Yeah, definitely.
It
There's
develops
that
curiosity.
fatigue which people can develop when you're looking at your screen time can be reduced. I think that's another.
Yeah, or maybe smart screens, we can use chalk and board, smart chalk and board, where you're writing somewhere and the student can at the last bench can see nearby.
Yes, sir. We can zoom it also. And
We
Yeah,
can
zoom
write
in.
down
By
and
this way, we
put it
can
in a
grab their
document.
attention.
Yes, yes. That I think that would be
So
another
to summarize, can I just tell all of us in this group feel there's still a role for chalk and board even in the digital era. And the second point is even though it's a traditional method, it still has role, and we can use it in small group teaching and any other teaching models as well. Would anybody?
And that the traditional chalkboard, it has evolved to a digital chalkboard.
Digital
So
chalkboard, yeah.
we can switch to
We can
that.
have a combination of both, like a PowerPoint as well as chalk. So as to actually have the effect of students that more oriented towards PowerPoint.
mainly to make any teaching methodology effective, we need to plan and organize for the session. It can be a chalkboard, PowerPoint. Since we are depending upon the slides, we will go on reading. So if we start using the chalkboard, it will develop our questioning skills also, and students will think in that way.
That
That way.
true.
So thank you all for participating and giving your valuable comments for this. Hopefully, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So these were-
Pause